Helpful solutions to remedy the snoring problem. Snoring can be a serious problem for relationships as well as a threat to good health. Spouses need to work together to find a solution for the problem. When one partner finds it necessary to use earplugs to get some sleep, and the other makes no effort to solve the problem, resentment will surely result. If you want to stop snoring, don't consume alcohol just before bed. While alcohol is okay to have with dinner or even later in the evening, if you have it just before bed, it will make all of your muscles relax, including those that keep your nasal passages fully open. You'll have less air flow, and you'll snore. If you smoke, quit. Smoking causes respiratory issues, and may actually be causing your snoring problem. To relieve that nighttime rattling, put down the cigarettes. Not only will this help quiet your snoring, but you may also find yourself getting better sleep overall, since nicotine is well known for disrupting sleep patterns. Making fish faces may help eliminate snoring. While it sounds funny, making these faces helps make the muscles of the face and throat stronger. All you need to do is close your mouth and suck your cheeks in as close together as you can. Then, move your lips just like a fish would. Do this at least twice a day. If you lose weight, you may find that you will stop snoring. This is because people who are overweight may have an accumulation of fat in the throat area that causes a narrowing of the air passageways. This, in turn, can lead to snoring. Losing weight can allow the airways to open up normally, so that snoring is minimized or eliminated. Use the information contained in this video and work with your partner to find a solution for a snoring problem. You may be able to alleviate the problem considerably with over-the-counter aids. If none of these ideas help, you may need to see a doctor and set up a sleep study. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.